Have you ever felt like your sales conversations are one sided, leaving your prospects feeling unheard and you feeling frustrated? Well, that is a common challenge that many entrepreneurs face, but there's a powerful solution: curiosity. Traditional sales methods often focus on delivering a pitch, but what if we flipped the script and started with curiosity instead? When you ask open ended questions and genuinely listen to your prospects, you make them feel valued and understood. Here's a quick tip. Next time you're in a sales conversation, start by asking, what's the biggest challenge that you're currently facing in your business? This simple question, it opens up a dialogue and shows your prospect that you're interested in their needs, not just making a sale. For example, I once worked with a client who was struggling to connect with their prospects, and by shifting their approach to curiosity-driven questions, they were able to uncover deeper insights and build stronger relationships. This not only increased their sales, but also boosted their confidence. Curiosity transforms your sales conversations from transactional to relational. It's about building trust and showing that you care. And believe me, when your prospect feels understood, they are much more likely to say yes. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to curiosity-driven selling. Start incorporating curiosity into your sales approach and watch how it transforms your interactions. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious.